Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and greeting to the lecturers. My name is Muhammad Alif Imran bin Rosidi, and my number matric is AE190011. Now I will present about the experiment 6 activity 1 simulation. About simulation of the power phase analysis circuit. Then first we will is the component given, like the diagram. This is the circuit that I had done for the power three phase power circuit, and then this is the supply three phase power circuit Y, and then the we is the Y connector for the resistor, and then use the wattmeter, ammeter, and the voltmeter here to measure the volt and the I. This is for the power. Now we start the simulation. Now we get the wattmeter and the power factor here. For the value for Q, we need to calculate by hand. So if you want to have the detailed value, you can refer to the report of the calculation, and you will get the calculation of the Q. And here we got the value of V line here, and then VPH here, and then the emitter here, the I here. Next, we use the V supply of 45 change to 90. Then we start the simulation. Here we got the wattmeter here, power factor, and then the V line here, and then the VPH here, and this is the emitter here. Search for I, and then next to the supply value for 135 volt. Then we got the wattmeter here, the watt, the power factor, and here the V line here, the VPH here, and then the I here. That's all. Thanks. Next to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Haziq Nur Hakim bin Saruddin. Okay, I will show you about the simulation for activity 2, lab number 6. And first of all, the circuit is like this, and what we need to do is we have to construct the circuit like this for star connection delta. Okay, and after that you can simply put the value that we need to measure, which is 45 volt, 90 volt, and 185 volt. So we can simply run this simulation to get the value that we need. Okay, let's run the simulation. Okay, from this we can simply get all the value that we want. If you can see here at the display, and you can do for the next measurement, which is 90 volt, by changing the value from this transformer, and then you run it again. Then the value will show from this display, and you will get the value that you want.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. I am Muhammad Aizil Fikri Reslan. Want to proceed for the activity number 3 for lab 6. So this is the connection of the component for activity 3. It is just the same as activity 1, but this time we add inductance in the circuit. So this is the diagram, and then we run the simulation by using multisim. Okay, then this is the connection of the three-phase Y delta circuit. So this is Y connection for activity 3. We have inductance 12.5 millihenry and resistor 100 ohm. Then we click run for the circuit. Then can we see the voltage AC for the VRY? This connection is 77.945 volt, and the VRN for this condition is about 45.002 volt. And to see the current that through this point, IRN is 0.45 ampere. So based on the lab sheet, the voltage AC that we need is about 90 volt and 135 volt, and we need to change the phase by clicking stop first, then double click this and change the value of voltage to 90, also 135 volt, and then click run also. So basically this is the voltage for 90 volt, VRY and VRN, also the IRN, and click stop, change the value of voltage to 135, then click run again, and then this is the voltage of VRY, the voltage of VRN, also the current of IRN. So that's all